Halloween, with its spooky delights, has become a beloved tradition in Canada. Every year, children and adults alike eagerly anticipate the chance to dress up in creative costumes and roam the neighborhoods in search of treats. Its roots go back centuries to ancient Celtic festivals, particularly the Festival of Samhain, which was celebrated on the night of October 31st. The Celts believed that on this night, the boundary between the living and the dead became blurred. These festivals marked the end of the harvest season and the beginning of winter, a time often associated with death and the supernatural. People would light bonfires and wear costumes to ward off roaming ghosts. Over time, Halloween evolved, blending Celtic customs with Christian traditions. When the Romans conquered the Celtic lands, they combined their own festivals with Samhain, and later the Christian All Saints' Day incorporated many of these traditions. It eventually made its way to North America with European immigrants who brought their varied Halloween customs with them. These traditions melded together, creating the Halloween we know today. In Canada, Halloween has transformed into a celebration of community and togetherness. Neighborhoods come alive with spooky decorations, and communities organize events to bring everyone together. It's a time for friends and neighbors to share in the spooky fun, whether it's through haunted houses, costume parties, or simply enjoying the festive atmosphere. Halloween in Canada is a time for fun and excitement. Children eagerly go door to door, collecting candy and showing off their costumes, while families prepare for the big night with decorations and treats. It's a chance to dress up, get spooked, and connect with others. From eerie haunted houses to lively Halloween parties, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The holiday has become deeply ingrained in Canadian culture. Parades, festivals, and community events are held across the country, showcasing the creativity and enthusiasm of Canadians. It's a testament to the country's embrace of diverse traditions and its love for a good celebration. Halloween in Canada reflects the nation's multicultural spirit, with people from all backgrounds coming together to celebrate. From coast to coast, Canadians look forward to Halloween each year. Whether in bustling cities or quiet towns, the excitement of Halloween is felt everywhere. It's a time for shared experiences and making memories that last a lifetime. Families bond over pumpkin carving, costume making, and the joy of seeing their children revel in the magic of Halloween. Costumes are at the heart of Halloween in Canada. Each year, Canadians of all ages eagerly plan and create their costumes. Popular culture plays a significant role in shaping costume choices. Movies, TV shows, and video games provide endless inspiration. Superheroes, princesses, and movie characters are always popular options. Creativity knows no bounds when it comes to Halloween costumes. Many people enjoy crafting unique and imaginative outfits. Homemade costumes add a personal touch to the festivities. They also showcase the creativity and ingenuity of Canadians. Whether store-bought or handmade, costumes allow people to step outside their everyday lives. For one night, they can become someone else, embracing the spirit of Halloween. Trick-or-treating is a beloved Halloween tradition, especially among children. As the sun begins to set, little ghosts, goblins, and superheroes take to the streets. They go door to door, their bags ready to be filled with treats. Homes participating in the fun often signal their willingness with decorated doorways. A glowing porch light is a universal sign that trick-or-treaters are welcome. The treats given out on Halloween vary widely. Chocolate bars, candy corn, and lollipops are classic favorites. Some homeowners offer healthier options like pretzels or granola bars. Others prefer to give out small toys or stickers. No matter the treat, the joy on children's faces as they shout "trick or treat" is priceless. Haunted houses and spooky attractions add an extra layer of thrill to Halloween in Canada. Communities across the country host a variety of haunted experiences. Some are small-scale events organized by local groups. Others are larger, more elaborate productions put on by professionals. Haunted houses offer a chance to get spooked in a safe and controlled environment. Inside these haunted havens, visitors encounter all sorts of creepy characters and eerie scenes. Dimly lit corridors, cobwebs, and spooky sound effects create an immersive experience. Haunted houses are not for the faint of heart, but for those who enjoy a good scare, they are a Halloween highlight. Section 5. Pumpkin Pandemonium. Pumpkin carving is a cherished Halloween tradition that brings families and communities together. Pumpkins of all shapes and sizes transform into jack-o'-lanterns. These grinning gourds, with their glowing interiors, become symbols of the holiday. The tradition of carving pumpkins is believed to have originated in Ireland. People would carve faces into turnips and potatoes to ward off evil spirits. Today, pumpkin carving is more about creativity and fun than warding off spirits. Families gather to scoop out pumpkin seeds, design their carvings, and carefully bring their creations to life. Many communities host pumpkin carving contests, showcasing the artistic talents of residents. Section 6. Festive Gatherings. Halloween in Canada is not just about trick-or-treating and spooky attractions, it's also a time for festive gatherings and celebrations. Schools often organize Halloween parties for students, complete with costumes, games, and treats. Workplaces may also host Halloween-themed events, allowing colleagues to bond outside of work. In larger Canadian cities, Halloween festivals and parades draw huge crowds. These gatherings bring people together to celebrate the spirit of Halloween. They provide an opportunity to socialize, enjoy festivals, food and drinks, and create lasting memories. Whether it's a school party, a workplace gathering, or a citywide festival, Halloween events add to the sense of community that Canadians cherish. Section 7. Decorated Domains. In the weeks leading up to Halloween, neighborhoods across Canada transform into spooky wonderlands. Homes are adorned with a variety of decorations, from classic cobwebs and spiders to inflatable ghosts and ghouls. Some homeowners go all out, creating elaborate displays that delight trick-or-treaters and passers-by alike. Public spaces also get into the Halloween spirit. Parks may feature spooky light displays or themed decorations. Businesses often decorate their storefronts, adding to the festive atmosphere. Halloween lighting in particular has become increasingly popular. From orange and purple string lights to projected ghosts, these illuminations add a touch of magic to the night. Section 8. Regional Revelry. While Halloween is celebrated throughout Canada, regional variations add unique flavors to the festivities. In some parts of the country, certain traditions or customs may be more prevalent. For example, in Newfoundland and Labrador, mumming is a popular tradition. Groups of people in disguise go door to door singing songs and performing skits. Weather can also play a role in how Halloween is celebrated in different regions. In parts of Canada with colder climates, indoor events may be more common. Trick-or-treating routes may be shortened, or alternative indoor trick-or-treating events may be organized. Despite these variations, the spirit of Halloween remains strong across the country. Section 9. Charitable Chills. Halloween in Canada is not just about fun and festivities. It's also an opportunity to give back to the community and support worthy causes. Many organizations organize Halloween-themed events to raise funds for charity. UNICEF's Trick or Treat for UNICEF is a prime example. This campaign encourages children to collect donations for UNICEF while they go door-to-door trick-or-treating. The funds raised go towards supporting UNICEF's work in providing education, healthcare, and other essential services to children worldwide. By participating in such initiatives, Canadians demonstrate the true spirit of Halloween. They show that it's a time for sharing, caring, and making a difference in the lives of others. Section 10. Halloween's Enduring Appeal. Halloween in Canada holds a special place in the hearts of people of all ages. It's a time when the entire community comes alive with the spirit of fun and festivity. For children, it's a time of pure joy and excitement. The anticipation builds as they plan their costumes and dream of the candy they'll collect. The thrill of dressing up, collecting candy, and running from house to house and experiencing spooky delights is unmatched. The decorations, the eerie sounds, and the playful scares all add to the magic. For adults, it's a chance to relive childhood memories, connect with their communities, and share in the joy with their own children. They embrace the lighter side of life, finding joy in the simple pleasures of the season. The holiday's enduring appeal lies in its ability to bring people together. It's a time when neighbors become friends and communities strengthen their bonds. It transcends age, background, and beliefs, creating a shared sense of community and celebration. Everyone, regardless of their background, can find something to enjoy. Whether it's the excitement of trick-or-treating, the creativity of costume making, or the joy of seeing the neighborhood come alive with decorations. Whether it's the excitement of trick-or-treating, the laughter of children as they go door to door, the thrill of a haunted house with its spine-chilling surprises, or the simple joy of carving a pumpkin, creating a masterpiece out of a simple gourd, Halloween offers something for everyone. It's a celebration that brings out the best in people, fostering creativity, joy, and a sense of togetherness. Section 11, a Canadian tradition. Halloween in Canada is more than just a holiday. It's a time when communities come together to celebrate in a way that is uniquely Canadian. It's a celebration of community, creativity, and the joy of shared experiences. Families and friends gather to carve pumpkins, create elaborate costumes, and participate in parades that showcase their imaginative spirit. From coast to coast, Canadians embrace the spirit of Halloween, making it their own with unique traditions and festivities. Each region adds its own flavor, from the haunted houses in British Columbia to the vibrant street parties in Quebec. Whether it's the spooky decorations that transform neighborhoods into eerie wonderlands, the creative costumes that bring characters to life, or the charitable initiatives that help those in need, Halloween reflects the best of Canadian culture. It's a time when people of all ages come together to share in the fun and festivities, creating memories that last a lifetime. As the nights grow longer and the air turns crisp, Canadians can look forward to another Halloween filled with fun, laughter, and unforgettable memories. The anticipation builds as the leaves change color and the first signs of Halloween appear. It's a time to celebrate the things that make this holiday so special. The joy of dressing up, the thrill of trick-or-treating, and the warmth of community gatherings. And it's a reminder that even in the darkest of nights, there's always room for a little bit of lighthearted fun. Halloween in Canada is a testament to the country's spirit of togetherness and celebration.